How's it going, YouTube? My name is Trey. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a stack in Java. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell if you want to watch more of my videos. Alright, let's get straight to the code. So when creating a stack, you can implement a linked list or an array. For our example, we're going to implement a linked list. So first we're going to have t data, then we're going to have node next. Then for our constructor, we're going to have public node t data. Then we're going to have this dot data to data. For our stack, we're only going to need a node top. All right, our stack is going to have a peek, pop, and push method. So first we're going to start off with our push method. Public void push t data. First we need to check if our stack is empty. So we're going to check if top is null. Our top is going to be new node with data. Otherwise, if top is not null, we're going to create a new node item, set that to new node data, and we're going to have item.next is the current top, and then our new top is going to be our item that we're adding in. So our next method is going to be peek, which tells the user what is at the top of our stack. So public void peek with no arguments. Inside our peek, we're going to system out top.data. Our last method is going to be the pop method, which deletes an item off our stack. So we're going to have public void pop. For our pop method, we only have to worry about our top. So we're going to set top equal to top.next. Now for our main method, we are going to create our stack object. So stack string stack is equal to new stack. So next we are going to push about 3 items on our stack. So stack push One Piece, stack push Naruto, and stack push Dragon Ball Z. Now to look at our top, we're going to call on our peek method. So stack.peek. Now let's see what's at the top of our stack. And Dragon Ball Z is at the top of our stack. Next, let's pop Dragon Ball Z off our stack. So stack.pop. And we're going to call our peek again to look at what's our current top. All right, let's run it. And our current top now is Naruto. All right, let's pop one more time. And call our peek method again. All right, now let's see what our stack looks like. And One Piece is our last item in our stack. So that's how you create a stack in Java. If you have any questions, comment below. All right, thank you for watching.